we are here to solve one of India's biggest problem, hygiene at slums.
We have thought of an idea using drones to collect the plastic waste from the water.
This is the first time I am flying the drone.
I always wanted to build drones, but I never thought I would get the opportunity to build one, that too in my first year.
Now our drone is ready to take off.
Is not just a technology for demonstration. We have real applications which can solve problems in India at its core.
And we made a small curriculum to understand about drone technology in just 5 hours. So you all will become a good drone pilots by the end of this course. Okay?
The drone workshop is actually divided into 2 parts. The first part was actually learning about the stuff and the technicality of the drone, wherein we have learned about different parts of the drone. We have learned different types of drones.
What this drone technology can bring to the society.
So now I will be starting with my motive and ideas too.
We can use drones which has some mechanism that will neutralize the toxic gases in the mines. We can use them for immediate response in the mines.
Since India is the country with highest population, we are having big cities along with big slums like Dharavi. It will be very tough for the humans to do sanitization for the complete slum. So we had come with a solution using drones.
We learned all the theory about how drones and everything work, and the physics behind the drones, the aerodynamics and everything, how their drones work, what is all components inside the drone, and then we got a glimpse of how all the drones that were kept outside work.
This is a pretty good workshop so far. I like the fact that we're building our own drone.
In the second part, we have learned how to program this drone through Cygnus IDE. So actually in the first part, we have built this drone, wherein we have also made it fly through our mobile. So it was actually amazing. The workshop was actually good.
Well, the racetrack is also very exciting. Some stuff we can try out in the lobby. So we are very excited for flying the drone.
You have to clear the entire racetrack within 90 seconds. There will be only one winning team. Can we start with the competition? Tell me yes or no? Yes!
Coming to the workshop was really so fun. We did a lot of stuff and learned so much of technical and hands-on work too. And also we crashed many drones, but also we learned a lot from it.
Pretty sure we're going to come a long way with this information, with the knowledge which we're learning from here.
It's also very exciting because this is the first time we have done something practical with programming.
Thanks for the NIAT for giving us such an opportunity.